Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to give access to private repository on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So now after that you log into your account, all you need to do is to click on your repository or your private repository. You click on it and then you will need to go to settings. After that we will need just to go to access here and we will click on collaborators. And here in this field you will need to add people so you can give them the access to your repository. So basically all you need to do either to add the username or full name or just add the email. So basically if you write anything, you will find the people that are using GitHub here and you can search for the person that you want to add or give access to, and then just click on add people and you will give them access to your repository. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.